In this video, I will show you how to create a Jamboard template that you can then share with your students via Google Classroom. First, you want to title your Jam. You can do that by clicking on the upper left-hand side. Next, I want to insert some text. Now I will insert images of lines. Know that I can also draw them using the pen tool, but I'm choosing to insert lines as images so that they can appear straight. I can resize and reposition this image as necessary. Send this image to the back by clicking the three dots, Order, Send to Back. Now I will add prompts for students. I can duplicate, move, and edit this text box. To add this Jamboard template as an assignment to my students, I need to go to my Google Classroom, select Classwork, Create, Assignment, add a title and instructions as you would with any assignment, click Add, select Google Drive, and since I just created this Jamboard template, it will be here under Recent. Since I want each student to have their own template, I want to make sure to select Make a Copy for each student. I can then adjust the point values, add a due date, and a topic before assigning. When I am ready, I click Assign. When students view the assignment, they can click on the template to open it, and then they can complete it by adding text boxes, sticky notes, or free writing their answers.